morning and welcome back to another week of exquisite planning here on my channel Exquisite Glow. Thank you so much for stopping by today. We are going to be planning the week of April 30th to May 6th, you guys. We are leaving April behind and we're heading into definitely warmer weather. Although yesterday we did go to a party at a park and it was cold and windy and I had to wear a thick jacket, but at least there was tacos and there was a lot of Mexican candy and there was Pepsi. Okay, so that kept me entertained and kind of like ignoring the cold. So you guys, let's get started with this plan with me. I'm excited because somebody commented on my last video saying thank you for doing a plan with me, not using glam planner stickers. And I was like, wow, maybe that's why people have been not really watching my videos, because I use like the same shop a lot. Now I do use those stickers because I really like them and I bought a whole bunch of them, so that's why I've been using them. But I'm gonna keep your guys' comments in mind because you probably want to see different shops here on the channel, which I am definitely happy to do for you guys. So last week I used non-glam planner stickers and this week I'm gonna do the same because this is what you guys seem to want. At least that one comment, that one person said, so I'm assuming a lot of you want the same. So this week I am using this beautiful sticker set from Plan Gorgeously. I actually bought this a while ago and let's be honest, I had been holding on to it because it's just so beautiful and I just, you know, I'm a collector. Like I like to like collect things and not use them, just keep them there for like my own fun of looking at them. But you know what, we're gonna use it tonight. We're gonna use it today. And just to let you guys know, this set is still in her shop, so if you guys really like it, it's very Tiffany and Company inspired, very fashion inspired. I mean, you got the high heels, you got the, you know, the nice little lingerie. It's just Tiffany colors, you guys. So if you love this, I would suggest for you to, after this video, I mean, or if you want to put me on pause, that's fine. I don't take any offense to it. She only has 2 left of these. So if you want to snag yourself this set, definitely go check out Plan Gorgeously. This is called Fashion Art Sticker Set. This is the Fashion Art Sticker Set. This is only $10. This set is $10. So you get 3 sheets of stickers. And again, $10. Only 2 of these sets left. So go check it out. I don't have a discount code for you guys or anything, but you know, I thought I'd let you guys know because I went to go look for the name and I saw that there was only 2 left, so I figured I'd tell you guys. Alright you guys, so let's get started with this plan with me. I am just gonna, let's see, MDNs, there is no MDNs, that's fine. MDNs are what you usually put as a title. Oh, well there's some here, but not like a lot, which is fine because I can always write it in. I'm gonna start off with Tuesday. Alright, so now I have the full-size boxes here, but let me take a look because I want to use one of these up here just for decoration. I'm thinking I'm going to use this one because I think we have 2 of these. Oh shit. I'm going to put this right here, start adding the theme here on top. Now I do have a full-size box. I'm going to do the to-do right here and I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to, every week for me is different on the sidebar only because it just depends on the sticker set that I'm using. This week I'm going to use this nice black glitter heart full box checklist here, and I think I'm just going to list like the most important things I need to get done this week. I'll do work. And I'll use this glitter full box here on the side. So let's start off with the coffee. The coffee and the macaroon. Isn't that cute, you guys? Alright, so I'm going to put that here on Monday because Mondays are my full day at work. It's my 8-hour shift. It's the most dreaded day of the week, but once Monday is over and I get off of work, I'm like, finally, that is over with. All right, and I'm just gonna go down here and just start adding the rest. Alright, so now since I have these things going on, I'm just gonna write them out in these boxes. Alright, and when I set them down, I'm gonna kind of overlap them a little bit here so that I don't have the peach colored coming through. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of these for the car payment. I'm kind of jumping around. This one here is a credit card, but I'm gonna use one of these round stickers to make it for the car. So I'll just put it actually right here to cover up that peach color. Little round car. And we'll put it right over that credit card. But you know what? Even if it lifts a little bit, it'll cover it up with, oh, maybe if you're super slow and gentle. Ah, it lifted. Cool. So I'm gonna put my weekend sticker here, like that. And this one I'll put up higher. All right, so we got the weekend done. Then I have the potluck at work. So what I'll do for the potluck is I'll actually use this flag that has a coffee and some macaroons on it. I think it's food appropriate. And I'll put it here just as a reminder that I have the potluck. And we have a theme of like the derby, so we're supposed to be wearing like those hats that girls wear, the big ones at my work. It's gonna be fun. And then on Thursday I'll have to go grocery shopping for it. So I'll use this half box, and let me get in close so you guys can see. So you see how the box has the hearts here, you can see them, and then the lines, the dotted lines. I'll just go ahead and write in what I need to buy it for groceries, and above it I'll put the remember sticker. Alright, so on Wednesday I'm gonna need to work on my YouTube, so I'll just go ahead and put this little YouTube sticker here as a reminder of what I need to do. Alright, so I'm just gonna lay this half box here because I'm supposed to have plans for Wednesday, but I still haven't gotten confirmation, but I'll add it just in case I get confirmation. And we have all these meal ones. I'm just gonna put these down here. And actually before I put these down here, why don't we add some washi tape? Let's look in my washi tape box here. How about we do like this one. This one looks pretty cool. Or we also have this minty one. No, I'll use this one. The dotted. This is a washi tape from Recollections. Again, it just comes in the big old containers that they have at Michael's or maybe your Hobby Lobby. Now I also have these workout stickers. I need to start on workout. I want to do like Beachbody. I don't know if any of you girls, if you guys are signed up for Beachbody on demand. I want to try that out. Let me know in the comments if you've heard anything, like does it, you know, like is it good? Do you guys like it? If you have it, have you heard of it? Because I started getting a lot of messages online of people like reaching out to me saying, oh, like I'll sign you up, I'll add you to my, you know, like support group on Facebook and stuff. And I want to do that, but I don't know, like it just seemed, some people seemed a little pushy because they wanted me to get like a whole bunch of other things, like, you know, like the bands that you put on your feet and like the sliders. It's like, I have those things. Like, and I don't need them. So do I need that in order to sign up like with you guys? Are you not gonna accept me in your Facebook group because I didn't buy it from you? And then also like the protein stuff, the shakes, it's like I don't need it because I have all that stuff at home already from, you know, stuff that I buy at Costco. So I don't know, what do you guys think about the program, and are you guys signed up for it? Let me know in the comments below too, because I really want to know. So I should try and work out at least 3 days a week. I haven't been working out. I've been so bad, you guys. So bad. So I should do Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. That is all I am going to be adding onto this weekly plan with me. I hope that you like this sticker set. I think it's really pretty. The colors are really nice. If you have more bills, you have these cards, and again, you can always like, you know, add like the house, it's a payment, or I don't know, you have a doctor's appointment, you can make it an appointment label if you had already used your appointment labels. And then you have all these flags, you have the asterisks, goals, home, you know, you have all those things that you can also add here on the sidebar. But I don't need to because I'm not going to need that right now. But you guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you really like this, remember there was only 2 sets left. Last time I checked, when I checked today, there was only 2 sets of this left. So definitely go check out Plan Gorgeously on Etsy. I'll go ahead and link her shop down below so it makes it easy for you to just go over and, you know, check out her shop. Don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at exquisite_planning. It is here on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you guys all so much, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye guys. Mwah.